Hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Arshwal, Associate with Dialyzy. Welcome to Dialyzy. Today in this video I'm gonna cover up all about the Commercial Codes Act. In this video I'm gonna basically cover up the definition part or the introductory part of the Commercial Codes Act. So let's start the discussion without any further delay. So there has been a long-standing debate on the setting up of exclusive commercial codes in India. The 188th report of Law Commission of India of 2003 brought attention to the worldwide criticism faced by the Indian judiciary, where the judges of developed countries were raising doubts about the capacity of Indian judges to deliver effective justice. The inordinate delay in litigation process pestered the litigants who ventured into the Indian legal system. The international judges started hearing civil cases on the grounds of the doctrine of forum non-convenience. The Law Commission recommended setting up specialized commercial divisions in high courts in order to expedite the process of justice delivery. Thus, the Commercial Codes Bill was introduced in Parliament in the year of 2009. The bill received the assent of the President on December 31st, 2015 and came into force on 23rd of October 2015. The Act was formerly known as the Commercial Codes, Commercial Divisions and Commercial Appellate Division of High Court Act. By the 2018 amendment, the name was changed to Commercial Codes Act 2015. That's all about our discussion. That's all about the introductory part of Commercial Codes Acts. See you in the next video with some more information.